down.
Hi, I am Purva and welcome to my channel Purva Chodia Fitness. In this video, I am going to show you some booty burning workouts for some booty gains without any equipments. So let's just get started. For hip extension, take a doggy position. Your arms are right below your shoulder and legs below your hip. Take your legs upward without bending your knees. Now do the same for the next leg as well. In the beginning, you may not go as high, but it's okay. Your flexibility will improve by the time. Next workout is fire hydrant. In this, you again have to take a doggy position, but this time your body will be supported by your palms. Lift your leg upwards up to 90 degrees. Repeat this for another leg. If you cannot go up till 90 degrees, try going for at least 45 degrees. This is a very good workout for your abductors. We also call it hip dips. For this workout, I'll suggest if you use weights. If you do not have weights, you can use a brick like me or a bottle filled with water. Now, stand on your knees and simply go all the way down. While doing this, focus on your glutes. This is very good, easy, and effective workout for your booty. For bridge, you have to sleep facing towards the ceiling. Legs are straight in the hip line. They are not too far or neither too close. Lift your booty up, squeeze it and then down. Squeeze, down, squeeze and down. Last but not the least, everybody's favorite squat. Take a shoulder stance and go down. Make sure your knees does not cross your toes and you go as low as possible. So guys, for supporting me, please do like, share and subscribe my channel. Also, you can let me know in the comment box which video you would like to see next. Thank you for watching. I'll see you soon. Till then, stay fit and stay happy.